One of the biggest challenges many of us face on a daily basis is what to make for dinner. Am I right? For those of you in that position, I have a change of pace pasta dish that you can throw together in no time, and it always gets rave reviews. We start by cooking some penne pasta like we normally do, draining it really well. We'll let that sit. Then, in the same pot, we mix together a couple cans of cream of celery soup, a bit of milk, and that can be whole, skim, or even lactose-free, a couple tomatoes that we've cut up, a few spices, and last but not least, a package of sliced pepperoni that we've cut in half. After that simmers for a bit, we add the pasta back in and give it a good toss. A few more minutes is all it needs to heat through, and dinner is done. Talk about easy and all in one pot. But beyond that, the true test is in the taste. You see, as the pepperoni simmers in the sauce, it adds a ton of flavor, so we end up with a dish that is dinner time perfect. The recipe for our one-pot penne is online now, so you can make it as soon as tonight. I'm Howard with Hungry Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a creamy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Hot, hot